Hello, you are welcome to Everything Foodie. Today, guys, I'll be showing you how to prepare this healthy, simple recipe, and I promise you, you are going to enjoy it. Our first ingredient is red bell pepper. Red bell pepper is one ingredient that I love. It tastes so good and it has a lot of vitamin C, is rich in fiber. And our next ingredient is onion. Onion is one ingredient I can't do without. I love onion. I eat lots of onion. Most of my dishes, you will always see some trace of onions in there. So we'll go ahead to throw all this in the blender to blend it to bring it to a smooth consistency. We will be adding a little water, to help us to blend it well. Here it is, you can see it's very smooth and well blended, and we'll go ahead to transfer it to our beautiful pots. Yes, because this recipe is beautiful. Yeah, we'll cover it to cook. While that is cooking, we'll go ahead to get to our next ingredient, which is okra. Okra is one ingredient that I love. It's very, very good for diabetic patients. It's rich in fiber. It's just an amazing ingredient that I will encourage you guys to introduce it to your meal. Eat the food. You can make the water. If you want to see how to prepare okra water for a diabetic patient, let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad to do that. You go ahead to chop it to any shape of your choice. This is the quantity we have, and we are checking on our red bell pepper and onions, is well cooked. And now we introduce the okra to the mixture and allow it to cook, and we'll go ahead to add a little water so that it can have water to cook with. Okay, we are not frying this, guys, we are cooking it, so it needs some water. And I went ahead to add black pepper. The aroma from this black pepper is so amazing. I love the aroma. It smells so good. Yeah, I love it. It smells so good. And this is simple, healthy recipe that we are doing here. I added salt for taste and some cube. I went ahead to add more water. Okay. And if you are yet to subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe. We talk about everything foodie, everything food on this channel, and share this video with anyone. Okay, help our channel to grow. Thank you so much for that, and God bless you. And I went ahead to add my smoked fish, this unsalted fish, just a little smoking in the oven. Yeah, I went ahead to add it, and I'm crowning this dish with spinach. You can see that. Oh my God, at this point the stove is off. Okay, we just go ahead to give it a stir. We don't need to cover this. Okay, we don't need to overcook the okra. We don't need to cook the spinach. We want to get all the nutrients from these ingredients. Okay, and we need to eat healthy. That is why I'm bringing this delicious healthy meal for you. You can use this to eat rice, your yam. You can just eat it like that. In Igbo language, where I come from, we just say this is for licking. I will see you guys in my next video. God bless you.